Okay, here we go into the long pull for the Bikeman Stage 2 with Stage 2 torque link flash. So that's what you can expect from your Stage 2 kit. You can see the power definitely jumps up initially on the colder pipe, and then it does settle down a little bit, and then kind of the corrections within the ECU take in effect and kind of stabilize out that power as long as we can. You know, as you go longer and longer, things lose a little bit of power, but it's still making really good power, and it definitely doesn't fade as much as the stock machine does. So that's our Stage 2 kit. Check out that and all our other cool products at bikemanperformance.com.